Hey, it's time for another everyday getaway at the Sawgrass Recreational Park right outside Miami, Florida. Before we get started with today's adventure, we just want to take a quick second and ask you to join the Everyday Getaway family by hitting that subscribe button so you can join our other adventures.
We're in the Everglades today, and we just got off our ship, and once we left Explore the Seas, we got on a bus that brought us directly here on a tour. When we're finished, it will take us to the airport, but we're going to share just a little of our experience with you here, and we'll turn you around, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the experience itself. All right, so once you get your ticket, and it was provided, of course, on our tour, but you can just buy your tickets if you come here. You either take a tour on the airboats first, or you can go to the animal exhibits first. Since we were on a tour, they told us what we had to do first, and what we had to do, or what we got to do first, was to go on the airboats. And Doug, what'd you think of the airboats?
Oh, it was a lot of fun. I liked going so fast up through the water. It was a good experience. We didn't get to see any alligators, but we had a good time. Saw a lot of birds, a lot of scenery.
Yeah, it's October of 2022, and because the hurricane came through not long ago, the water's up really high, and because of the depth of the water, the gators, you just can't really see them. So we did a lot of gator hunting.
He said he did see one yesterday on a tour, but they're only seeing like one a day.
The airboat rides lasted about 30 to 40 minutes. They can hold on each boat around 25 passengers, and they do have private tours also that will take a smaller number, of course, and they have, I think there are smaller boats that do that. And you can purchase this with being part of a tour, so you can go there and purchase, and I think if you purchase an airboat ride separate than a tour, I think it's about $28, $29 per ticket. You'll notice folks holding their ears. We did receive earplugs, and we wore them, but even with earplugs, it was loud. Alright, so I'm afraid of snakes. This is a python, definitely not my type of animal, but he is so active, I just had to make sure that you got a chance to see him. And this next guy is called a red teku, who is from warm climates, and they can get up to 5 feet long. Next up, we went to a presentation called Gator Talk, where they shared a little bit about gators with us, and it let us at least get a chance to get to know the gators a little bit. Before we go in, check out this guy.
We have about 1 to 2 million alligators. On average, that's 1 alligator for every 14 people. If you think if those alligators were eating people, the traffic would be a lot better. But clearly there's something going on. These alligators don't really want to hunt and eat people. They only really do that in 2 places. Scary movies and the news.
Not sure if you can tell, but our presenters headed over to this large male gator, which I'm not sure if is brave or a little crazy. This is a male gator. He's 13 foot long and about 800 pounds. And he's just chilling. This is
female is the girlfriend to the one we just saw.
All right, please nobody try to touch the snapping turtle. 2 guys already did it. Bad idea.
So Doug, what are you standing in line for?
To get our picture taken with the baby alligator.
The bluebirds, that little bluebird with the yellow feet, he's a native bird to Florida, to the gators, the Everglades. I said to the gators, I hope he's not like native to the gators, but just to the Everglades. He's pretty. Florida's back there. I don't know if he'll come out. He's probably just chilling in the shade. He probably likes the spot. This is a animal sanctuary, so the animals that are here were all rescued, and they will probably, for the most part, live out the light here, protected. We got a peacock resting, and there's another one over there in the bushes. It'd be nice if they'd stand up and show us their tail feathers, but I think they're just enjoying the chilling there for a little bit. Let's go check out the other guy. See that one hiding in the bushes? Here's another one of these little birds that's native. Oh, there he is. This is a hybrid rock iguana. Oh, and there was a blue-tongued skink. 2 of them.
You say the tortoise?
Pardon?
You say the tortoise, the peacock, python,
Boa constrictor.
boa constrictor, alligator, crocodile.
Lots of fun stuff. Thank goodness the snakes were in a cage, because I don't do snakes. Once you're finished with the airboat tour, there are restrooms here to the right in this recreational center. There's a gift shop to the left. And then if you come down this walkway, there are some food trucks. They don't open up really early, but they were open by the time we finished the experience. Once you walk down, there's some nice picnic tables that are kind of covered that you can get a snack and sit down if you want to for a few minutes. And then once you're finished with that, over to the left, there are the exhibits, and in the exhibits there were reptiles, alligators, crocodiles. There's an alligator show. We got to pet a baby alligator. There are turtles, birds, snakes, and let's see, what did I miss? Just walking into the gift shop, and check out this. You can buy Florida in a jar. Ah! Gator attack, gator attack, gator attack, ah! And speaking of gators, there's every size gator and croc you can imagine. Crocs have that more V-shaped snout, and alligators have the more rounded snout. You can get some gator-like shirts. They're like kid sizes, it looks like. $12.95, that's not bad. Oh, snap. Oh my goodness, look how cute these are. Oh my goodness, they're called boogie toes. It's got gators on the toes. Here's the jerky section. Do you find it weird that while you're looking at the alligators, you can come in and get yourself some gator jerky at the same spot? This is an animal preserve, but they're selling gator jerky. I don't know if you can hear them over the airboats, which are really loud, but this tree is full of birds, so give it a second and see if you can hear them. in one of these food trucks, they do sell alligator tacos. Or is it alligator bite tacos? Alligator bite tacos, so hey, worth a try.
Join us next time as we answer the question, what are the ABC Islands? Hey, it's time for another everyday getaway at the Sawgrass Recreational Park outside Miami, Florida.
We're out in the Keys. Well, the Everglades. We're in the Everglades. We gotta start that